The most useful and common input type is the text field. Like most form elements, it requires the name attribute to be specified, and the value attribute will be set to the text that it contains. Another useful input type is the password field, which hides its characters from view. For both of these types, we can specify an initial value using the value attribute. We can also change the field size, which is measured in number of characters, or put a character limit on the field using the max length attribute. The last text field, hidden, is used to add data to a form without displaying it to the user. Because the user can't change this input type's value, we must specify it in the markup. Next, we have the checkboxes, which are used to give multiple choices. If we don't specify a value, a selected checkbox is sent with a value true, and if the box is unchecked, no value will be sent for this element. With radio buttons, only one button in every group can be checked. To group radio buttons together, we just need to give them the same name. We can also make default selections using the checked attribute. Text area creates a multi-line text box. The text between the tags is the default content, and the size of the area is given by the cols and rows attributes. The last form control that we can create are list boxes using the elements select, option, and option group. The select tag is the container for the list and gives the list its name. Inside of it, we define each list item using the option element. If no value attribute is assigned, the content of the option element will be sent as the value if that option is selected. By default, only one option is displayed, making the list box appear as a drop-down list. We can increase the number of displayed items using the size attribute, making the list box into a scroll list instead. To be able to select multiple options, we can enable the multiple attribute. And to select default options, we can use the selected attribute. The option group tag is used to give a title for a set of options in order to group them together. The field set elements creates a border around any form controls in order to group them visually. We may also provide a label for the field set using the legend tag.